Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your screen rotation on your iPhone. So if you have problems with it, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just swipe. Here you will see screen rotation. So just check if you don't turn on here this function. So here you can see portrait orientation lock on. So if you press again, here you can see portrait orientation off. So now you just off portrait orientation, so you can use your phone in portrait and landscape view. So check this thing. And also, if it doesn't help you, you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your display and brightness. So just open it, and here you need to find your view, and here you need to choose standard, not zoomed view, because in the zoomed view you can't use sometimes landscape. So just check if you use here standard, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go back. Just find here general, and in the general you need to find just scroll down and just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to make force restart on your phone. So just tap. It depends on model of iPhone you have. You need to find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart on your phone. So I will tell you an example of iPhone X. You just need to press high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here a black screen. And after, you need to see Apple logo. So it means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.